Oh my gosh, that's perfect.
Never saw videos like ads, anything?
Never. Just
Nothing?
until just now.
Okay, awesome. Guys, how would you define your hair?
Very, very flat and very, very straight, but it is super thin, super thin.
Okay, no problem. Let's try it out. So you can see here, it's really not sliding. So
That's perfect.
I would normally like trim it if it was like a little bit sliding.
Oh, I found it. Oh my gosh, that's perfect.
What do you think, just in general? Was it
That's
easy
so
to
much
find it?
easier. With having like sort of longer hair, it's hard to like pull a ponytail out, and my hair just like takes it out with it. So
Right.
that's really nice.
Cool. Would you recommend people with like your kind of hair type to try it,
Oh,
or any hair type?
absolutely.
What do you think?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
My mom would love these because she always is looking for good hair ties. So
Cool. Well, I appreciate you trying it out and showing people like your first time experience with the
Yeah.
product. And you can keep that one.
Perfect.
And thank you for your time.